Hey guys, and welcome back to Little Reverie. Today, we will continue with the second Magic Knight in our Magic Knight Rayearth series, Fuu Hououji. Fuu is the Magic Knight of the wind element, and is easily the calmest and most mature of the three. She's always been one of my favorites of the Magic Knights, after Hikaru, and I think it is about time we get started on her. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right on in! For Fuu, we will be using this Draculaura doll here. And somehow I seem to have lost the footage of the prepping stage, as well as the very beginning of the face-up. Technology, why must you fail me? As for the prepping, it is the same as in my past videos. And as for the initial part of the face-up, well, it's unfortunate, but thankfully it's just minimal. I will say I did have a bit of the same issue with Mr. Super Clear as in the previous video with Umi's face-up, only not as bad. This time though, I'm pretty sure I know what caused it. The weather. It's been pretty humid around here lately, so yeah, that's definitely gonna cause some issues with Mr. Super Clear. Now that the face is done, we can go in and gloss the eyes and lips. Moving on to her hair, I use this yellow viscose. This viscose is a little different than what I had originally been using. This is more for felting, I believe, but when brushed out in a similar fashion as with yarn, it gets a result that is very similar, but a little softer in my opinion. It's cheaper and it ships to me faster, so I may be switching to this stuff for sheer convenience. Before trimming her bangs, I use a metal chopstick to curl them inward. Heating up one end of the chopstick with a hair straightener, I then fold the hair over onto it before trimming off the excess. I'd say she could use a good trim now, wouldn't you? Once again, heating up one end of the chopstick, I wrap strands of her hair around the end and go over them with the hair straightener to make sure that the curls hold. Removing the chopstick afterwards, you create nice curls. Also, just throwing this out there for fans of the series, I'm going by mainly the art of the manga for these repaints. Fuu's hair appears to be more of a darker blonde, almost brown, in the anime, whereas in the manga, it's a more vibrant yellow. Now then, in regards to Fuu's outfit, I commissioned Dolly Boutique on Etsy. So originally I had Fuu planned for the first repaint of the three, and so I had her outfit made, well, long before I even started my channel. So this was before I even got into sewing my own doll clothes. Long story short, when I was ready to start filming for this series, I had some shipping issues with a crucial material I needed to complete her repaint, so I had to push her video back. The original game plan was to commission Dolly Boutique for all three outfits, but life doesn't really work like that sometimes. Dolly Boutique did an excellent job on the outfit, better than I ever could. Also, the underwear is done by The Daughter Who Sews on Etsy. As always, if anyone is interested in checking out their work, there is a link in the description to both Etsys. For her shoes, I use these Monster High shoes that resemble loafers. Basically the closest thing I could find to Fuu's school shoes. But let's first paint them to match. There we go. Afterwards, I seal the paint with a matte varnish. Now then, there is one more thing that Fuu needs. Her glasses. I made Fuu's glasses using some wire that I shaped into the style of round glasses. I then went over the top of the frame of the glasses with some polymer clay to help keep their shape. Lastly, I painted the glasses black to help them stand out a bit. For a first attempt at doll glasses, I think they turned out pretty okay. And now, Fuu Hououji is finally complete! Wait, no. Let's face it, I'm just not feeling the glasses. I painted the frames black in an attempt to help them stand out, but I kind of feel like they just distract from her overall design. At first I thought that these would do, and I think I kind of just forced myself to try and like them, but no, they need to go. They feel too clunky with that clay, and the black just really takes away from the design. So I make another pair, only this time, instead of clay, I wrap some wire around the ends of the top to help enforce it. I also leave the wire bare, without any paint. And now with that, I can truly say that she is done. I'm really happy with how she turned out, and now we're just one away from having a complete set of Magic Knights. Hikaru Shido is up next. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It would help me out a lot. And as always, from Little Reverie to you, may you all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, this kind's more... already messing up. Dolly Boutique. Boutique? Ugh, what is English? Also, just throwing this out there for fans of the series, but I'm mainly going by the art of the manga. What am I even saying?